Hey dog lovers! Check out the Jarstuion Collapsible travel dog bowls, perfect for on-the-go pets. These bowls fold flat to fit easily in any bag or pocket, making them ideal for hiking, camping, or day trips. Made from high-quality, food-grade materials, they are durable and safe for your furry friend. The elevated design supports your dog's spine and promotes easier digestion while traveling. Lightweight and compact, this travel bowl stand saves space without sacrificing convenience. Whether you're exploring the outdoors or simply out and about, this bowl keeps your dog comfortable and healthy. Stay prepared and give your dog the best with this innovative travel accessory. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.